Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here, and within this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online here in 2018. So make sure that you stay tuned, that you subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video because I know you're going to get tons of value from it. I'm also always uploading videos that will help you build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. I'm uploading these videos on a daily basis. So again, make sure to subscribe, and let's go ahead and dive into the content here. Now, there's a few ways you can make money online here in 2018. I'm just going to show you ways that I've made money in the past. I don't believe in showing you something that I have yet to do. So we're going to go ahead and dive straight in here and talk about a few different ways to build an income online here in 2018. Number one is, of course, affiliate marketing. I've talked about affiliate marketing in previous videos and what affiliate marketing is. So what I will do is I will leave a link in the resources section below, in the description below, that will show you how to get started with affiliate marketing if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is. So let me show you some proof of income that I've been able to generate here in the past few years using and leveraging affiliate marketing, basically selling other people's products. And then I'm going to show you how you can begin to sell your own products. And I'm also going to show you how you can start making money with cryptocurrency. It's super big here in 2018. It will continue to rise. And last but not least, I'm also going to show you how you can start building an income from a YouTube channel and making money from Google's AdSense program. So I'm going to show you how to make money, obviously on the front end with AdSense, and then make money on the back end by selling affiliate products and selling your own products. So we're going to dive into the income. We're also going to dive into my channel. I'm going to show you how this all works so you guys can go and start taking action here in 2018 and create massive results in your life and your business. So first of all, let's get into some proof. One of the companies and one of the affiliate offers that I promoted here in the past year and a half, it's almost been 2 years now, is a company known as Digital Altitude. It's a high ticket company. This isn't the only affiliate marketing product that I've been selling. There are other products that I've sold in the past, but this is my top recommended product because it gives me the most leverage. It allows me to make the most money with the least amount of work because of the product line that they offer. You know, they offer products anywhere between, $37 a month all the way up to about $27,000. So definitely a great company. You can see here, I've been able to produce $291,186.21 just part-time with this specific affiliate marketing company. And if we dive into the income, as far as my income between 2015 and 2016, you can see right here in 2015 from affiliate marketing and also from selling my own products, I've been able to generate $137,704 in 2015. In 2016, I doubled that and did $264,324. And you can see that I went from my company being under my personal name to being under Next Selection Marketing LLC. So as you grow in your business, you'll definitely want to establish an LLC. You'll be able to write off more on your taxes. You'll be an established, legit company, and there's a lot of benefits of doing that. So to show you some income, get you really super excited and motivated to take your life, take your business to the next level here in 2018, and show you that there's so many different ways that you can generate multiple streams of income without having to go out there and learn a brand new trade. One of the cool things about affiliate marketing was I was able to make all this money from YouTube, right? And then I was able to go out there and teach people how to do the same thing and make an extra stream of income by selling my own products. So you can see here in my Stripe merchant account, been able to generate $99,297 from the sales of my tube traffic selling system product, teaching people how to grow their business or start a business using the power of YouTube. So let's get into the process of how you can actually make money from YouTube here in 2018, how you can use YouTube to sell your own products like I've been able to do and make near $100,000 in extra income and make over $291,000 in the past 18 months with one affiliate offer. So Let me show you how this works. When you create a YouTube channel, you want to create a YouTube channel around a specific idea or a specific theme, right? If you're super passionate about fitness, you'd probably want to make a channel around fitness. If you're super passionate about makeup and hair tutorials, you'd probably want to create a channel around that. But basically what you're doing with a YouTube channel is you're documenting your life, right? So many people get caught up in the idea of like, they don't know what to create. They don't know what content to create. They have fears of being on camera. They have fears of being on video. And you'd be pretty dang surprised at how I got started in this industry and how I created my first six-figure income using nothing but my smartphone and my web camera on my laptop and a simple script. And I've actually got a webinar in the description section below that will show you actually how you can take a simple script, how you can take nothing more than your iPhone or your smartphone and build or grow your current business using the power of the YouTube platform. So I want to let you guys know, number one, it's going to be difficult. You know, the first time you shoot a video, it just is. It's like stage fright. It's going on stage for the first time. It's not knowing what to say, and you're going to suck. That's just the facts. You're going to suck the first few times that you start shooting videos. If you're willing to take the risk and take that leap of faith, it will work out for you. Okay. A lot of people are trying to script the right video to get started. They're trying to avoid all the mistakes in getting started, but failure is a part of the process and you will fail. And as you grow your YouTube channel, you're going to have haters. You're going to have people in the comment section that have never had success before. They don't know what the process of success and growth looks like. So they'll do whatever they can to bring you down because they are the ones that are jealous. Okay. And that's just the facts. Another thing is you don't need a big YouTube channel to become successful on YouTube. Again, I showed you guys the proof and I've been able to build this type of income, not from my primary channel here, but from what I like to call small or micro channels. Here's one of my micro channels. The whole purpose of this Real I Am Reviews channel is to review internet marketing products. It's my expertise. I love teaching people how to make money online. And so for a long time, I struggled because I bought the wrong products. And I had this overwhelm and I had all these distractions. You guys know, if you've been through my channel, I've talked about this in numerous videos. And so instead of going out there and buying a bunch of these different products, I decided to just focus on one product long term, right? And then review other products and help people not deal with the same overwhelm and deal with a lot of the same issues that I dealt with buying product after product. So what I would do is I would take my hard-earned money and I would spend my money on these products and I'd go through the membership area and I'd give people an honest review. So if they were looking to buy that specific product, they'd come across my videos on my channel and get my honest review based off of facts. And so I basically spend my money on these products and say, hey guys, you don't want to go with this product. Here's a product that you should go with because I've had personal results off of this product and I'll give you coaching. You know, we have calls, so on and so forth. So you can have specific small niche channels. You know, if you're in the health and weight loss industry, intermittent fasting's super big right now. Ketogenic diet is super big right now. Gaming is super big right now. So you can have these little micro channels. You don't even need to show your face. You can, of course, if you're doing like makeup tutorials and hair tutorials, you need to do that. But like with gaming and with even internet marketing, some of these videos I just show my screen and sometimes I don't even show my face. And I do that in this channel too as well. So there are so many channels out there that have been wildly successful that are just screen shares. I can tell you a channel right now. I think it's Justin Bryant. This guy has 132,000 subscribers. All he does in all his videos is he does tutorials and he shares his screen. That's all he does. So you guys don't need to be some expert public speaker. We all have to start from somewhere. And I absolutely sucked when I got started. But guess what? People still bought my stuff. That was the breakthrough, is that I could actually suck on camera and just simply still give people what they want because the content was good enough that they would buy my products and they would buy my services and they would buy whatever it was that I was offering. So if you look at each of these individual videos that I have on my channel, they target a specific topic. And then what I'll do is, of course, I will monetize the video, which means Google ads will show up on the video. And I apologize if you can hear that. I've had months and months and months of construction going on outside of my apartment, and I'm building a house right now, and I cannot wait to get out of here. It's about 8 weeks away, so I apologize if you can hear sound in the background. It sounds like a bomb's going off. So anyways, you'll notice that I monetize, number one, the video. Here's one way you can make money with YouTube, is make money by having other ads show on your video. It's called the Google AdSense program. So before your video, like before this video, there was a Fiverr ad. And if somebody clicked on that ad, Google would get paid and I would get paid. That's the first phase of making money with YouTube. The second phase of making money with YouTube is that you can actually monetize the back end of your channel by offering different products and services, whether it's your own product or somebody else's product. And that's where you make money with affiliate marketing like this. So basically what I would do is I would give content in my video, and in the description, I would get them to click the link to send them to a product that's related to the topic of conversation of the video that I'm talking on. Okay, so this is all about how to sell products with YouTube, this specific video. And in the description, people can go and they can go to my website or go to my free webinar, whatever it is, when they click this link right here. And what it'll do is it'll go to the webinar or the website, and this is where they can sign up or they can buy my product. So my internet connection's being a little slow right now, so it's not loading. But that's basically it. So I would send people, number one, to an affiliate product if I don't have my own product. Number two, I would send them to my product, and that's where this income comes from. Okay, here's another one right here. Here's a review on an affiliate product. So you'll notice here, I'm promoting this inbox blueprint product in the description of my video. So when somebody would click it and they would go to buy, then boom, I would get a commission. So you can see how this is congruent. I'm doing a review on the actual product, then I'm promoting it in the description, and boom, I make money. Here's another one, digital altitude. We just saw my income a few minutes ago. You can see again, this is all about a digital altitude review. And in the description, I am promoting digital altitude. People click the link, they go to the affiliate website, they buy, I get a commission. So you can see that all these videos and the offers within these videos are congruent. Okay, so if you've got a makeup tutorial, you don't want to promote a product on how to make money online, right? So this is all about mining cryptocurrencies. I told you that it's another way to make money here in 2018 is that you can do mining, which means you can mine Bitcoin, you can mine other alternate cryptocurrencies, you can trade Bitcoin too as well with the markets, and then you can promote business opportunities around Bitcoin and alternate cryptocurrencies and earn Bitcoin and other alternate currencies by promoting a specific offer based around that. So those are three ways you can make money within cryptocurrencies. Right here, I've got a video about mining. And then in the description, once again, people can sign up for this Hashflare site. And then when they sign up and they purchase a specific plan, a mining plan, then guess what? I get a commission off of that. I get like 10%. So you can do this with anything. You can do it with Amazon products. You can do it with Clickbank, digital products. You can go to different affiliate networks and promote pretty much any product out there. The reason why I like to do higher price products and higher ticket is because I make more money and it's a lot less work, right? So that's how I'm making money here in 2018. And I urge you to go off and I urge you to do the same thing. Start with one, right? I would say start with affiliate marketing, okay? And then once you start gaining some momentum with affiliate marketing, you can then take that success, create a product out of it, and then sell it through your YouTube channel. Now, I want you guys to start small. You don't have to upload a video every single day. There's people that upload videos once a month that have hundreds of thousands of subscribers because it's all about value, right? It's all about content. It's not about quality. Don't think you need to have some fancy studio setup. You'll notice with my videos, I don't, especially with my micro channels, because that's where I make most of my money. This is kind of my passion project and my bigger channel where I'm going to cover everything from business to health to wealth, just everything that I love. I love fitness. I love men's grooming and style. I love internet marketing. I love investing, making money online. So my channel will be an accumulation of all those specific niches in one channel. So I would start with a micro niche, go deep within that micro niche, because when you go deep within a micro niche, there's less competition and you can make money a lot faster. And then you can eventually have like an authority branded channel like this and cover a lot of the successes that you have from your micro channel. Okay. So don't be afraid to get started. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't overanalyze this process. Just be consistent. Take massive action. You're going to fail. Accept it. Accept it as you become more popular. You're going to have more haters. And I'm here to support you every single step of the way. So a good thing to do is to model what other people are doing. Watch what I'm doing with my channel. Understand why I'm doing that. Go to other YouTube videos out there. There's a lot of YouTube videos in your specific niche that are getting lots of views. Reverse engineer those videos that are getting lots of views and create a video around the same exact topic and add a little bit more to it and make it better, right? Success leaves clues. Tony Robbins said that. Success leaves clues. And the best thing that you can do for your life and your business is to not reinvent the wheel. Find other people that have been successful, right? Look at what they're doing, reverse engineer it, and then model it, okay? Stand on the shoulders of giants. That's the fastest way to success. And I believe in you guys. I believe that you can do this. I appreciate your support, your ongoing support in my channel. If you got some value from this video, give me a thumbs up. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment below. What are you going to start with in 2018? Are you going to go with affiliate marketing? Are you going to do mining? Are you going to go with the cryptocurrency market? Are you going to trade alternate coins in the crypto market? Are you going to get involved in a business opportunity deal in affiliate marketing or cryptocurrency? Are you going to create your own products? Are you going to do consulting? Are you going to do e-commerce, drop shipping? Like there's tons of ways that you can make money online. I'm just showing you what I know. And if you'd like more information on how to build your business with affiliate marketing, build your business on YouTube, make money with cryptocurrencies, I'm going to leave some links in the resources section below that will help get you started in the right direction. This is Josh Elder signing off, helping you live a life and build a business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Take care.